Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the creamy world of avocados. Did you know these little green gems are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients? Let's explore how avocados can transform your meals into health-boosting delights. First up, avocado toast. It's a classic, but have you ever tried topping it with radishes and a sprinkle of chia seeds? This combo not only adds a satisfying crunch, but also ups your fiber intake. Next, let's talk smoothies. Blend half an avocado with spinach, banana, and almond milk. It's a velvety powerhouse of vitamins and healthy fats that keep you feeling full and energized. How about a zesty avocado salad? Mix diced avocados with cherry tomatoes, black beans, and cilantro. Drizzle with lime for a fresh, zesty punch. It's perfect for a refreshing summer lunch or a light dinner. Craving something a bit more comforting? Try adding avocado to your pasta sauce. Blend it with garlic, basil, and lemon juice for a creamy, dairy-free sauce. Pour it over whole grain pasta and voila! A heart-healthy meal in minutes. And remember, avocados are more than just tasty. They're rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium. So, go ahead and embrace the Avo love. I hope these ideas inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Share your favorite avocado recipes in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.